Tips and tricks for a successful affiliate marketing business. There are so many different ways to market your business, but why waste your time with techniques that don't really work? Affiliate marketing will get you the attention and sales that you want to see. This video will teach you all that you need to know about affiliate marketing to be a successful business owner. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. As an affiliate, checking on your visitors, sub-affiliates, and sales totals is all very important information to know. The company you choose to offer your affiliate services to should have a thorough list of statistics they voluntarily offer to you. You must track of your entire campaign, otherwise, it isn't worth putting one together. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. If you don't have the techniques down to make money, let's face it, you aren't making any money. Don't let random information about marketing fill your head. Apply the information you have learned about affiliate marketing from this video, and get the attention and sales that you dreamed your business would have. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.